Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the currency in the Trainline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the app settings section, look for the currency button and click on that. And here you can find all the available currencies that you can set within this application. So just choose the one that you want to use, and then your currency is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.